Jackrabbit. The Flint Hills stretch to infinity, an abstract word meeting you here on this hill. The motion in grass might be wind, but no, the jagged path shows where a bony jackrabbit flees. They fear people. This afternoon, autumn disappears as sun rouges the west, or maybe it continues in a different dimension. Listen, your breath ripples the blue-stemmed grass. Your eyes see beyond the creek leading sky to darkness. Past and future merge as a horizon and last forever. You travel this kingdom with Coronado before he left Quivira, before he wrote about land so vast I did not find the limit anywhere I went. Some days thunderheads explode in the skies with lightning bolts so loud the ground shakes. Rainbows follow. Millions of stars speckle the night. All people who once lived here surround us. Red-tailed hawks keep watch. Flint Hills Grass Ocean. Grass hovers above earth, grazes sky, multiple strands of warp dangling, no weft, but a line of vole nests along horizons at your feet. Sky begins at ground level, no illusion. Rocky Mountain gusts, lost for miles, stop at your back, push a hard hand between shoulder blades. Wind probes your flesh-covered wings. Lift feet. You fly with seed heads ever eastward, the downstream pattern traced in air like stems flattened the same direction after a flood. Dragonflies circle ponds. Open your fingers like grass. You feel forces beyond your control. You feel belief. Council Grove Reservoir, American vultures. Black angels, buzzards, roost every other post along the pier. This powder blue afternoon juggles a lemon sun. Below, a trapped river muddles the lake's surface. Underwater spirits call to each other in currents, repeating names. Wildcat Creek, Canning Creek, Short Creek, the Neosho. Wind sweeps away traces of all tongues. Vanished are buffalo hunters, drovers, women, and swaddled babies, all who pass through these hills on the journey to paradise. Flint. Bare brown stones of my hometown turn up in arrowhead collections miles away, chipped into points of interest, also blades and tips. I once saw one embedded in a skull on a Girl Scout trip to the museum before stolen bones were reburied. A solid stuck in another solid. A ho-chunk man, Darren Snake, drove with us through the hills, amazed at miles of flint, easy to stop and fill a bag full. Not dull dirt, but its coppery sheen, beauty of pressed quartz shines, fractured along ley lines of power and weakness, sharp when broken. Hefty, palm-sized nodules fit into the hand, fingers closed, the axe is ready, fight ready. Or flint lies face down, it waits.